Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to grill the perfect steak, juicy, flavorful, and cooked just the way you like it. Ingredients and tools you'll need. The grill itself: steak like ribeye, sirloin, or filet mignon. Salt and freshly ground black pepper, olive oil or buttered garlic, and fresh herbs, optional for extra flavor. A meat thermometer for perfect doneness, tongs, and a grill brush. Step 1. Choose the right steak. A good steak should be at least 1 inch thick with nice marbling for extra flavor. Step 2. Bring to room temperature. Take the steak out of the fridge at least 30 minutes before grilling. This ensures even cooking. Step 3. Season generously. Rub both sides with salt, pepper, and a little olive oil. Keep it simple to let the natural flavors shine. Step 1. Preheat the grill to high heat. That's 450 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, or 230 to 260 degrees Celsius. Step 2. Clean the grates with a grill brush and lightly oil them to prevent sticking. Step 1. Sear the steak. Place the steak on the hot grill and let it sear for 2 to 3 minutes without moving it. This creates a flavorful crust. Step 2. Flip and continue cooking. Turn the steak using tongs and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes on the other side. Step 3. Check for doneness. Use a meat thermometer to check the internal temperature. For rare, it's 120 to 130 degrees Fahrenheit, or 49 to 54 degrees Celsius. For medium rare, it's 130 to 135 degrees Fahrenheit, or 54 to 57 degrees Celsius. For medium, it's 135 to 145 degrees Fahrenheit, or 57 to 63 degrees Celsius. For well done, it's 155 degrees Fahrenheit and above, or 68 degrees Celsius and above. Step 4. Add extra flavor if you like. In the last minute, add butter, garlic, and fresh herbs on top for a delicious finishing touch. Step 1. Let the steak rest for 5 to 10 minutes before slicing. This keeps it juicy. Step 2. Slice against the grain for tenderness. Step 3. Serve with your favorite sides like grilled veggies, potatoes, or salad. And there you have it. A perfectly grilled steak full of flavor and cooked to perfection. Try it out and impress your friends at the next barbecue. Happy grilling!